Dừng lại, đừng lướt qua video này. Chiếc túi bạn đang nhìn thấy không chỉ là thời trang, nó bắt đầu từ da của một con trâu và trải qua một hành trình mà rất ít người dám xem đến cuối. Nhưng câu hỏi là, sau khi biết sự thật này, bạn còn muốn sử dụng nó không? Hãy xem đến cuối và nói cho tôi biết suy nghĩ thật của bạn.
The lasers sweep methodically, mapping every contour and high thickness zone in real time. The fleshed hide moves to a robotic trimming station, where articulated cutting arms, fitted with precision rotary blades, Neutralized hides are loaded into a second drum for the retanning stage, where a blend of vegetable and synthetic retanning agents is introduced. The retanned hides enter a fat liquoring drum, where a blend of natural and synthetic fat liquor oils is Scene 39, dust extraction. A wide shot of the buffing line shows the full industrial dust extraction.
A widest shot sweeps slowly across the dyeing hall, a large industrial space filled with base-coated hides advance from the spray booth directly into an infrared drying tunnel, where rows of IR heating panels
The press closes with controlled force, driving the engraved pattern into the warm, slightly softened coating surface. The laser head traverses the hide surface following the programmed panel outlines at a precise cutting speed. It's
Selected panel edges that will form folded joints are fed through a skiving machine that reduces their thickness by shaving a tapered bevel from the flesh side of the edge zone.
The main body panels of the forming bag are brought together with the side gusset strips, the flat rectangular panels that will form the The leather-faced zipper assembly, a precision YKK zipper with a cognac brown leather pull tab. A pre-cut fabric lining assembly is guided into the bag interior through the open top and pressed into contact. The insert is slid carefully through the top opening and positioned inside the bag body, pushing all exterior surfaces into their correct final geometry.
Each bag receives its interior approval stamp, applied by a precision stamp tool to the inner face of the lining.
Bags that did not pass inspection are present on a parallel rejection conveyor, each carrying a small red flag. On a parallel packaging preparation line, luxury gift boxes are being assembled from flat pack rigid board.